Hello everyone, I want to show you today very nice tips of how we can do nice sounds, nice psychedelic sounds using just Wavetable from Ableton 10. So let's get Wavetable. I will put solo. I'll just copy this. Okay, so for now we have just basic shapes. Oops, sorry. But what we can do to make it psychedelic, I recommend to use this waveform. So as you can see, you have a lot of waveforms to choose, but this one, Primes, it sounds best for psychedelic. I choose modern here, and look, I have like this kind of notes. I will play it. So for now it doesn't sound at all psychedelic, so I will make it shorter. Okie dokie. And now we're gonna work with warp and fold. But just before we make it, let's set the filter. Okay, like so. It will be nice. So I will keep it like this. So we're gonna move frequency like so. Now we're gonna play. Oh, look at this. What do we have already? So for now we can do modulation just using warp, and it will be nice. Look. Oh, okay, let's make it longer, like so. Okay, and now we have it here, so maybe like this. And with the beat, okay, now we're gonna use the fold. So let's see just the sound, and we're gonna change the fold settings. Okay, it sounds very nice. So let's add echo to get that nice delay. Maybe like this, and bit reverb. Okay, and with the beat, Okie dokie. So as you can hear, we have already very nice effects lead, and also what you can do in Wavetable, we have metrics. So here we can do many nice things which will works very nice for our sound. So let's try. I will take So as you can hear, is very nice. And what I recommend here is to try have fun with time here. So let's have a look. I will turn off the echo so you can hear the differences. So let's again. And you can go backwards. So we can also map time here with LFO, with envelope and amp. Okay, let's try this one also with some melody. By double click, you're removing your settings, like in everything here. And in Ableton, when you double click, you're gonna come back to the default. Okay, so it sounds very nice to me. Let's try it with kick and bass. Okie dokie. So as you can see, you can do very nice psychedelic lead, psychedelic effects, and everything. I recommend to check and just have fun with all of these waveforms, and you can do really nice things. I have also tried before here, so let's see what I done on this one. Oops. So here is waveform FM fold. So everything you can automate with your controller. You can automate with Matrix. Also, you have you can do everything. So I have another one. Oops, I have another one here. Yeah. Oh, here is like some serious one. Also, it's primes, modern, and just you need to tweak the warp, excuse me, and the fold, and just have fun. Everything in music is about having fun. Okay. Maybe I will play something what I have here. thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you can see that you don't need Serum to make this this sound, this leads, this effects. You can do it just with your Ableton, but you need to have Ableton 10 to get it to make it. You cannot make it on Ableton 8 or 9, so it's only for Ableton 10 users. Okay, take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next tutorial. Take care. Bye.